How to increase account insights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will give you a couple of personal tips on how you can increase the insights and followers on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if I just go ahead and then open up Instagram, I understand what you're talking about. You just come to your profile page and then you have a creator or a business account, and then you go to professional dashboard over here. You'll be able to see your account insights at the very top of the screen. Maybe you want to increase the number of accounts that you reach and so on. Well, there are a couple of things to remember. Now, Instagram is basically a content sharing platform. So one of the first thing that you want to make sure is that you push many contents out there. So if you have only limited number of posts, you will not be able to attract more audiences. So just make sure you have a handful of couple of posts. The other thing you can want to do is you want to post reels, because you can see I actually have reels such as this. So if you have got basic reels, then you should be able to engage audiences, because most of the people nowadays do watch reels, and that is why you might not be finding this option. So just make sure that you post regular reels, and then after you've done that, you might also actually want to use hashtags. So just tap on the plus icon here, just choose a photo that you would actually like to upload. In this case, tap on the arrow icon again and just make sure to add a hashtag, because when you add a hashtag, ultimately more people are going to reach and be able to see your post, and when people see your post, it is basically going to show up in the account insights tab. And also make sure to post regular content. As I said, try to upload stories, try to do many things, just try to engage with your audience. Hope this video helped you as to how you can increase your account insights on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.